Here in Detroit, it's not exactly news that the auto industry is in crisis. This factory used to employ 15,000 workers, churning out 200,000 cars a year. It's been abandoned for more than half a century. Yes, there are parts of this city that are dying, families and homes literally falling to pieces. But there's also something fiercely alive here, a spirit of resilience, of resistance, and perhaps, amid the ruins of industrial capitalism, glimpses of a more sustainable way of life. Detroit has lost so many homes and businesses that it now has 130 square kilometers of vacant land within its city limits. Growing in these empty spaces is the largest network of urban food production in the United States. More than 400 community gardens, harvesting 165 tons of food last year.
It's a win-win. Folks need economic development, but I think there's a lot bigger aspect to it, of that, taking control of the food system really gives folks this opportunity to rethink their place in the world and say, if I can take care of this very basic need, what else can I do? There's the literal seed, and there's also the metaphorical seed that's planted in folks' mind of what more this could be.
Planting gardens is not only to produce food, but it's also to reconnect with the earth. It's also to reconnect with one another. I think that's began to change the culture of the city.